our show tonight. Joining us from Prez in Headford, they're going to rock your socks off tonight, Hawaiian Snowstorm!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're Hawaiian Snowstorm, welcome up from Presentation College in Headford. My name is Ruairí McNicholas. This is Conor Dever on lead guitar, Michael Heneghan on bass, Sarah Comerford on rhythm guitar, and Michael McDonald on drums. Are you all enjoying the competition so far? Brilliant. For your entertainment this evening, we're going to be kicking off the second act with a song by My Chemical Romance called Na Na Na. But the problem with this song is it needs 200 backing vocalists to sing along with the intro. But as you can see, we only have 1, 2, 3. That's not going to work. So, stand up, anybody here who cannot sing. That's someone standing up down the back. Okay, most of you can sing. So, what we're going to get you guys to do, and this includes our 3 judges up the front, is sing along to the intro of the song, which goes like this. Think you can do that? You get the hang of it. So, get up, dance along, sing along, and enjoy the show.
waving banners. We got one down there.
And then number 2. The next act, going through to the televised final. Hawaiian Snowstorm!